Srikalahasthi Prasadam online booking. Save this number, that is 9552300009. Type message box Sri Kalahasteeswara Swamy Vari Devasthanam. Select one service, temple booking service. Click on confirm. Click on open. Select district box. Select Tirupati. Click on SKSDS. Click on temple services. Click on Prasadam. Type name and contact number. Choose date. Select and number of laddus, pulihoras, vadas, big laddus. Click on continue. Click on open. Click on review and pay. PhonePe will open. Click on proceed to pay. Payment done. Booking successfully. View ticket and click on PDF ticket. Check once details.